Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove duplicate value in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, sometime we have a lot of data and have a lot of duplicate value. So in this video I will show you how you can easily remove all duplicate value by once. So you can see I have a data and John have same values. So I will show you how you can easily remove all the duplicate value from the data. So first of all, select the whole data. So after selecting the whole data, you will see search option. So search here, remove duplicate. So after that, select my data has header. So after that, you will see OK options. So click on it and then click on OK. So guys, you can see one duplicate values is removed. So guys, in this way you can remove all the duplicate value from the data. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.